can you go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it a lot. I'm trying to grow my channel, okay? So today I have a 2019 Nissan Altima, and I'm just gonna go over the radio media center controls a little bit on this vehicle. As you can see right here, this is the media center. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it off, audio off. You see that the audio is now off. Now to turn the audio on, the radio, just do that. And as you can see, no Bluetooth device connected. It's on, and I can control the volume by going with this knob right here. Next, we're gonna go to the menu button. You press the menu button, it brings up a whole bunch of options right here. You can connect your Bluetooth, smartphone, call history, do a lot of things, home, previous destination. All right, we're gonna go down a little bit. There is the map setting. If I press this, it brings up the map of where I'm at, okay? Now, go down a little bit, it gives you the audio setting. Right here, and it gives you options of audio, the phone info, media, map, and navigation, all right? And right now, if you've connected your Bluetooth, it will connect to your Bluetooth device right here. It says searching for a Bluetooth device. If the connection fails, check your device, select device, okay? You can go through that option. And then we're gonna move on to the left right here, all right? Right here is you can tune and scroll for the radio right here. That's an option right here. If you go down, that's the back button. This right here is a night and daytime. I'm gonna do that feature last. And then right here is how you seek. That's the seek button. So let's go ahead and do the night and daytime button. I'm gonna press that and let you see. I'm gonna press it. You see how it got darker? And then it got lighter when I press it for the for the nighttime. See how that works? And there's also a feature up here where you can actually control the brightness with your thumb right here. I'm just gonna scroll right here, or and you can do that right there. Or you can scroll by not actually touch screen, but you can let's see how to do this. And that's how you control the media center. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.